Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get admin command to impress dress on Roblox. So it is unfortunately it is not possible for a person to get that command very easily. So you have to be a famous YouTuber. So if you are a famous YouTuber then you can get it. And I'm going to tell you one more alternate way. If you have any admin friends, or if you can manage any admin accounts, then you can get that command and use whatever you want. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.